What is going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in again. This is part two of the videos where I show you my strategy. Today, we're going to do the entire session from 9:30 to 4:30 p.m. And if you haven't seen the first video where I showed you the pre-market where we made $1,535 in just 12 trades, you go ahead and see the video. I'll link it up here. Go ahead and see that one first, and then come back to this one. But if you have seen that one, let's go ahead and get started right where we left off with the first candle of the day. We normally don't trade the first 10-15 minutes of the day, so we're gonna let that play out pretty quickly unless we see an opportunity. In this video, obviously, I'm going to be showing you my strategy. This is the question I get asked all the time on our live streams. Can you show me your strategy? Can you teach me your strategy? So I'm doing these videos for you guys. So hopefully you get a lot of value out of them. I will obviously give you all the stats afterwards, and I'm going to take trades that I don't even believe in sometimes, but the chart tells me to take them. So we've got the first opportunity today here. I have a little red circle around it. All right, so we've got buyers absorbing sellers. This is what this yellow candle means. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you must watch that first video that I'm talking about in this series. We saw the buyers absorbing sellers, and then we got a confirmation that buyers are in control. So because we saw this shift in power, we're going to go ahead and take a long here, buy. Obviously, we know the result of this one already because it just played out in front of our eyes just a second ago. But this is a trade that you have to take anyway, according to our strategy. So we have 770 we're risking, and we're going to shoot for 770. We do a 1-to-1 R. Well, that's what I do. I'm not teaching you. I'm not telling you guys how to trade. I'm just showing you my strategy, which you guys ask me about all the time. Perfect. That one worked out very nicely. We still have continuation of absorption. Okay, so now we're getting a shift here. We're getting sellers taking over this move. Now, we have to short this, obviously, because now we see buyers absorbing and we see sellers taking over. We could lose this trade, and I to be honest with you, I think if I remember this correctly, I did take this and I lost it, but we're going to try it anyway. We have to try them all because we don't know. We don't know what could play out. So we're going to risk 600. We could probably end up giving majority of this trade back that we just won to see if we could make 600. It's a numbers game. All right, we're risking 595 to make 595. All right. All right, even that one was a winner. For some reason, I thought that was a loser when we took this trade during the regular session, but we won that one as well. So we're already up $1,365. Any normal human being would probably say, you know what, $1,365. I'll probably walk away now, and it's not even 10 o'clock. It's 9:48. All right, so we'll keep trying. We'll keep playing this out. We'll keep playing this out. See if we can make some more money today. Okay, so here we're getting a bunch of mixed signals. We're getting bullish absorption, followed by a doji, followed by a blue candle, which is moderate volume. Now, when you have something like this and you're kind of a head scratcher and you're like, oh man, what is going on here? Sometimes you may want to go and look at the higher time frame. So we'll switch to the 2-minute and see if there's anything here that we really like. Okay, so the 2-minute is telling me bullish absorption, followed by indecision, followed by actual green candles telling us who's in control. So because of this, confirmation on the 2-minute, I'm going to go ahead and take this long trade. I'm going to put my stop loss down here at the wick of this candle, risking 735, and hopefully we can do 735 to upside. All right, we'll leave it right there. Go back to our 1-minute and let it play out. So right here we got another yellow candle followed by a bullish blue candle. Now at this point, I would start to get a little worried because these big blue candles, green candles, pink candles, like the ones you see here, these are high volume candles. A lot of times these get retraced. So what I would do at this point is I would move my trade to break even, okay? So I'll go to break even here, maybe just a couple bucks in the money, and we'll hit the play button, see if we can get to our TP. Oh, we just missed it. We just missed it. Now you have a decision to make here. Take the profits or let it go. We're going to let it go. We're going to let it play out. Right now, she's not looking too good because we have a purple candle followed by a red candle. So at this point here, I would make the decision and flatten this trade. Take the money off the table, okay? All right, we'll keep playing it out. Now, this is purple candle. Well, let me take this little circle out of here. This is from my normal session that I circled that. We have a purple candle here followed by a red candle. Now, do these have to play out to the downside? Because we have sellers absorbing. This is what the purple one means, even though it looks pretty similar. I'll show you guys. Looks pretty similar. Purple candle followed by a red candle. Now, do these have to play out? No, they don't. They don't have to. They have a good win rate, but they don't have to play out. Right now, we are in a bullish pattern, but it doesn't matter. You know, pullbacks can come in a bullish uptrend. So we're going to go ahead and follow our strategy and just take a sell here. If I'm not mistaken, I think this one is a loser. I think I took this one in the normal trading session. We'll go 205 to the downside right there. Oh no, what a winner. Yeah, we got another winner. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. We don't know. We don't know what is going to happen. We have no clue. The chart tells us, and we do what the chart tells us. We're currently up 2,000 bucks, guys, and it is 10:20. All right, put your attention here. When you have a purple candle followed by a yellow candle, that's still a no-go for me because this tells me indecision. Here, sellers are absorbing buyers. Here, buyers are absorbing sellers. We don't know the outcome of this yet. We don't have a regular candle telling us what direction and who is actually in control. So we'll wait. Still, doji. Okay, so this is telling me that buyers are back in control. So at this point, I would try to take a long. Put it under at least our last wick and go TP 610. All right, another winner. Very nice, very nice. We're on a roll today. So right now we're getting yellow candle, a doji yellow candle, followed by a red candle. So this to me would probably be a signal to go short. We'll try it. And we're having another yellow candle coming up right now. Should have taken it here sooner, but let's go ahead and try because we did have some chop here. Indecision, absorption, followed by a red candle. Let's go ahead and try to sell. Put our stop loss right here. Let's go ahead and give that a shot. All right, so we got a loser on that one, right? We got a loser, first loser, I think, of the session, but something really important I want you to see here. Yellow candle, followed by a strong green one. So I would immediately reverse course and go buy. Stop loss here, TP 565. And don't think you're flip-flopping here, guys, because the chart will give you the trigger, and you just have to pull it, okay? That's it. All right, let's go with that one. All right, so we got another loser on that one. No problem. We had the indication. We had to try it. Currently, right now, we're back down to 1830. This was a massive red candle, so it looks like we are getting some manipulation going on. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so we're getting a positive indication here. We have yellow candle, bulls absorbing, doji. This one kind of just didn't make me feel too good. Now we have a strong inclination of where the price wants to go, so we'll go buy. Put our stop loss right back here under the lowest wick. Uh-oh, looking kind of suspect. Okay, we got stopped out of this trade as well. Nice chop action going on right now. So we're down to 1230 on the session. All right, so we're getting another yellow candle followed by a red candle. As we had here, yellow candle followed by a red candle. This tells me the price wants to drop. So we'll go ahead and take a sell here. Stop loss up here. TP at 275. We'll give this one a little bit of leniency since we have yesterday's high right down here. We'll go 295. Make a little extra money if we can. Okay, another loser on this one. Well, we're down to 955. No sweat. Let's keep trying. All right, we'll try this short again. All right, perfect. 305 is our target. Not looking too good. Looks like we did get here a bullish candle followed by a green candle. So you have this decision to make right now. Do I get out of this trade and spare some of my drawdown here? Or do I let it play out? Now, we did get this candle. They came very close to our TP here. We could have had the decision here to move to break even and take the profits. I think that's something that I did do during a live session. But it looks here like we might get stopped out. And if we do get stopped out, it looks like it might be a good opportunity to go long. All right, as you can see, bulls are back in control here. We took a loss on that one. We're down to 650. So our P&L is starting to look a little light in the butt right here, but it's okay. We'll keep trying. Keep digging away. All right, pause your attention really quick. We have bearish absorption here, followed by a dark candle to the downside. This dark candle, I programmed it this color, by the way, means there's moderate volume. So this moderate volume candle, a lot of times does get retraced pretty quickly. So that's why I did not take this short. And taking this short here now after this candle is a little bit late in my opinion. So we're going to let this one play out. We didn't take it because that's one of our rules. All right, so we're getting another setup here. We have this, I believe, was a purple candle. Yeah, it's a purple candle followed by a yellow candle, which shows that we have indecision here. and then followed by a red candle. So in this case, we're gonna try the short. Okay, after getting this nasty stop out right here, we see that we have yellow bar followed by a big green bar. So this tells us now that buyers have swiftly taken control again of the situation. So we go ahead and try to buy this bar and go over a stop loss underneath the last candle that showed absorption, which is here. That's 445, risking 445 and taking profit at 445. Okay, we got another yellow candle followed by a green candle. Here we add. So we have 2 contracts on now. Now, we just missed our TP there. In real life, I would have taken this. I would have taken this trade. I would have taken this TP here, but we're going to let it play out. And we got it. Okay, so we're back up to 1385. Okay, we take a short here, even though we could be wrong here. It's all right. It's part of the game. All right. We got a nice move down here, straight move down. Just missed our target. Here, I'm going to go ahead and since the replays are I'm going to move the break even. That's something I would have done in real life. And let's see if we can get another move down. This should be a winner. In any other cases would be a winner because you would manually take them if you got that close and didn't touch. Let's go ahead and see if we get it anyway. All right. Right now we pause. We go long. We're getting a very good signal right here. We go long here. We could have taken the profits on that one. We should have taken the profits on that one when we were closer. Now we're getting bears absorbing, bulls are stepping in. Okay, we got another push down here. We'll let this next candle play out. All right, we're getting another green candle. So here we go long, we go buy. These are really good signals. All right, we'll stop loss here. We should have taken the profits on that last one. That's going to hurt us by 325, but that's not the way the replay works. The replay kind of just jumps. So either gives you the opportunity to get it or not. All right, so we'll go with 325 on this one. Perfect, we got that one. Okay, here we got bulls trying to absorb, sellers overpowering them. We'll try short here. All right, we got that one. All right, we're going to short here. Nice. Okay, I could short here. We have absorption candles followed by a red candle. Now, this is a doji candle. Which means that normally in real life, I would not try to short it. But for the sake of this experiment, we're going to try to short it. So we're going to go sell. Shouldn't cost us too much if we're wrong, but we're going to do it anyway. Last absorption candle, which I'll put right here. That'll cost us 215 if we're wrong and 215 to the downside. All right, we got it. Beautiful. All right, now we got a powerful move to the upside here. Absorption followed by green candle. We buy this. Stop loss here. 240 to the upside. Okay, we got that. All right, we got a very big candle, very big red candle to the downside. Now, I stay away from these because these are probably going to cost a lot if we're wrong here, but risking 400 bucks to make 400 bucks. Very bad for us. This signal here is bullish. So we've got a purple candle here. We've got a purple candle followed by another red candle. So we're going to have to add another sell position to that. Getting kind of dicey now. Now we do have some levels down here, absorption. So I would say in this case, because we do have a lot of absorption here, I'd probably be taking profits closer to here than where we currently are. So we'll go ahead and move that up a bit, maybe to this level, see if we can get to that level. Well, it looks like we missed it. Looks like we missed it. All right, no worries. Let's go ahead and keep trying here. All right, so we got another signal here. Bullish absorption, red candle. So we hit another, add another contract to that. Now we are going to take some risk off the table because we have a new level to the upside that should be defended, which is this wick right here. And if we're wrong, we're only risking 459. And if we're right, we'll make $1,000 here. We're close to it. Okay, I'll go ahead and move this one to break even. This is a dicey trade. There is a lot of mixed signals in here right now. And let's go see if we can maybe TP somewhere closer to here, possibly. Starting to get really dicey right now. We have a lot of mixed signals in here, as you can see with all these different shades of candles. Oh man, we just missed our TP here. So we're going to flatten all here. I have a feeling that we may flatten all here. That was close enough. It came right to our TP there almost. So I'm not sure what the market may want to do here because we have wicks to both sides. Oh, we would have got our TP very nicely there. Okay. Well, at least we're up. Okay. Nice indication here for a long. Purple absorption candle, powerful green candle. So we're going to go ahead and hit a buy in here. Stop loss down here. TP at 360. Okay, we have loss on this one. Okay, we go long here. We have the green candle after the yellow candles. This shows that we have bulls absorbing and following through. 205 TP. Very nice. Looks like defending this level. I'll go long here. Stop loss are underneath the yellow candles here. TP at 195. You could really be a little liberal with this one, but we'll go to 195. Sake of this experiment. Leave it right there. Oh, we got stopped out there. Oh, unfortunate. Let's go ahead and try giving this another opportunity here, possibly. All right, we'll go long again. 375. That'll make up for the last one. Nice, we got that one. All right, now we're getting a little bit of a topping signal here. We're getting a yellow candle followed by a red one. So not sure if I want to take this one, but for the sake of the experiment, I guess we have to. All right, looks like we could have taken profits right around here. It got very close to our target. We'll consider this one a win, and we'll go ahead and move this to a, we'll go ahead and take profits on that, flatten that one out. Even though our P&L is not going to show it too well, should have probably manually taken profits here if you were in that trade. Let's go ahead and flatten that one out. All right, now we're getting a yellow candle followed by a green candle. So this is our trigger here to go long. We'll try it. Stop loss there. Even though we could be wrong, it doesn't matter. Got to try it. 3 1/4. 3 1/4 to the upside. All right, we got that one. Perfect. 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 All right, this is giving me bullish indication, so we'll go buy here. Put the stop loss just under here a little bit. 95 bucks, small one. Give it to the top of that candle, see if we can get it. Ooh, very close. Got it. Okay, we got another bullish indication here. We'll go long again. Stop loss under here. 175. Another bullish indication here, so we'll hit another buy. We have 2 on now. Got it. We're up to almost 4,000. And when we have a bullish indication at the moment, we hit a buy. Oop, what happened there? Oops. Okay, so we had a bullish indication here. The chart got away from me a little bit. So we're going to put our stop loss right in here, at the bottom of this. Risking about 240. Try to make 240 on this. Right there. All right, let's go ahead and play that out. All right, this one did not work out. We had the bearish right here, this bearish indication. So this one was a loser. All right, we got a purple candle followed by a green candle. Go ahead and hit the buy button there. Not looking too good. All right, we got it. Another bullish indication here, so we'll try to buy again. Stop loss. Put the stop loss on this one. 190. This is a yellow candle too. I think it is. No, it's not. So we'll go ahead and put it under this one. Give it right there. 155. TP 155. Come on, man. This thing's frozen on me now. All right, we got it. Very nice move. Very nice move. Chart's cooperating with us now. All right, so we got a bearish indication here. We got a yellow candle followed by a red candle. And for some reason, this chart's getting frozen. So go ahead and hit a sell right there. Stop loss up here above this wick. Risking 180 to make 180. Very nice. right, so here we'll take the buy. Stop loss right there, 320. All right, we got that one. Chart's lagging, I don't know why. All right, so we got a nice indication there. We'll go with a buy. Risking 585 to make 585. Yeah, let's put it right here to the, let's put it right here. To the top of those wicks. We'll add here. Now, so we'll take it off here. I'm not going to take any chances with that. Call that a win. Let's see if we would have got it. Looks like we would have got it. Okay. All right, so now we're getting a bearish indication here. Yellow candle, red bar. So we'll go with a sell. Stop loss up here. TP down here. All right, we got that one. I would say we take this one. Do we have a doji? Indecision followed by red. We take that one. All right, we got that one too. All right, we're going to take the short here. 210. All right, we got that one. Well, it's 340, 345. So we got about 15 minutes, 15 candles left to see if we find any more opportunities. Definitely not going to take this one. Reason why is because this bar is too big and this one's too small. Okay. It is currently a few minutes till 4. Don't know if I want to take any more trades here. I think we did pretty good for the day. We have this one left here, but we just played out. Something's wrong with my screen. All right, so let's see what the total is for the day here. All right, look at that, 78.05 win rate, and we had that big losing streak somewhere in the middle. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and open up this performance report. That's incredible, to be honest with you. That's a very good win rate. All right, so we took 41 trades, 23 long, 18 short. Looks like 18 of those longs were wins. 5 were losses. 14 of the shorts were wins. 4 were losses. So we're at about an equal win rate on both. 78% on the long, 77.7 on the shorts. Not too bad, guys. These stats are pretty good. Pretty good, man. And if you guys want to go ahead and backtest that yourselves, just go ahead and do so. If you guys haven't seen video 1 yet, where I broke down where to get the indicators from, go ahead and check out that video. I'll link it at the end of this video, and I'll put it up here somewhere as well. But yeah, that's it, guys. And also, if you want to see us trade live every day, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bells. We do go live every day that the market is open between usually around 9 a.m. to about 1 or 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We also go live Sunday evening for the Sunday opens, and we have a free Discord where you guys can get tons of information, great knowledge from traders who've been in this business for decades. And we have just a great community, guys. No toxicity, none of that. And also, if you guys are looking to get any great deals on prop firms, go ahead and use one of the ones that are flashing on the screen right now. And I'll go ahead and see you guys in the other video right here in just a few seconds. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time.